Most people struggling with thyroid disorders are told to eat flax seeds and chia seeds because they are both high in omega 3s and fiber. But here's the shocking truth. There is another seed which works 3 times better than flax seeds or chia seeds, specifically for supporting your thyroid health. The reason being, this particular seeds provides the right minerals which is needed by your thyroid gland to produce thyroid hormone, plus it also helps in reducing the thyroid antibodies. So if you are suffering from thyroid disorders like hypothyroidism, low thyroid issues or Hashimoto's disease, then you need to include this particular seed on the daily basis in your diet so you can support your thyroid gland. And plus, it is very important to eat this seed in enough quantity and in the right way so it can properly support your thyroid gland. Hi, I'm Dr. Anshul Gupta, a former Cleveland Clinic functional medicine physician from US. I help people with thyroid disorders to reverse them by making personalized functional medicine plans. Now, thyroid disorders are one of the most common health diseases which majority of the females are suffering from. They come with a host of symptoms of feeling tired, fatigued, having brain fog, issues with losing weight, having mood swings, sometimes feeling depression, anxiety, stressed out, and also hair thinning or hair loss. For most people, even taking the thyroid medicine doesn't help in improving these symptoms. The reason being, thyroid needs specific nutrients like zinc, selenium, magnesium, iodine to not only produce your thyroid hormone but also to activate your thyroid hormone so your body can utilize it. And this is where majority of the people are not including foods which have all of these specific nutrients for the thyroid gland. The same thing happens with flax seeds and chia seeds. They both are great because they are high in omega 3s as well as they are high in fiber. But none of them have the right minerals and nutrients which is specifically needed by the thyroid gland. So you might be eating those chia puddings or you might be adding flax to your smoothies, but your thyroid is not improving. The reason being, you're not giving it the right nutrients which is needed by the thyroid gland. This is where pumpkin seeds are very important to include on the daily basis if you do have a thyroid disorder. Yes, I call pumpkin seeds the superfood for thyroid. The reason being, they have the right nutrients, specific minerals which is needed by your thyroid gland. Now most people will think, yes, I have heard of pumpkin seeds. Yes, I eat them. But the key over here, are you eating them in the right way? And are you eating them in the right quantities so that you can support your thyroid gland? And that's the key, and that's exactly what I'm going to share with you today. Now let me first make my case for the pumpkin seeds, why I am calling them the superfood for thyroid. The reason being, pumpkin seeds are very high in magnesium. We have research studies which prove that people who are low in magnesium have higher chances of getting hypothyroidism and Hashimoto's disease. Magnesium play a very critical role in the conversion of your inactive thyroid hormone, which is the T4 to the T3. Plus, magnesium supports your mitochondrial health and plus play a significant role in reducing inflammation. It can help you to lower those thyroid antibodies. And just imagine, half a cup of shelled pumpkin seeds have almost 300 milligrams of magnesium. That is a pretty good amount of magnesium from a single food. So that's one of the major reasons I want you to include pumpkin seeds so you can support your thyroid gland by getting the right amount of magnesium. The second reason is that pumpkin seeds are also very high in zinc. Now zinc as a mineral is very important for your thyroid gland because it not only reduces the thyroid antibodies but also converts your T4 to T3, which is your active form of thyroid hormone. The research shows the combination of zinc and selenium can help in lowering thyroid antibodies in majority of the people. Plus, zinc also improves your immunity and also helps your thyroid hormone to work better inside your cells. Thereby, most people will feel their energy also improving when they are consuming zinc. Now, there are very few vegan or vegetarian sources of zinc, and pumpkin seeds is one of that sources which is very high in zinc. That's the reason very important to include that on the daily basis. The third reason is that pumpkin seeds are high in compound called flavonoids. These flavonoids act as antioxidant and reduce inflammation specifically in your thyroid gland. And we know inflammation is a major root cause of thyroid disorders. So thereby reducing your inflammation in your thyroid gland, pumpkin seeds supports their functioning. Plus, pumpkin seeds has high amount of protein as well as high amount of of fiber. Both of these nutrients support your body in general. Fiber helps improve your gut health, while good quality protein provides the right amino acid so that your body can function better. So that's the reason pumpkin seeds are the superfood for your thyroid gland. But how much you should consume and what is the right way of consuming pumpkin seeds? So over here I am talking about the shelled pumpkin seeds and not the whole pumpkin seeds. So the various ways of consuming pumpkin seeds can be either consuming them raw or eating them roasted. And the third way is soaking them or sprouting pumpkin seeds. So what is the best way out of it? So when you're eating pumpkin seeds raw, then you get all of the nutrients from the pumpkin seeds in their natural form. But here's the catch. When you're eating them raw, then they are high in phytic acid, which sometimes can upset your stomach and cause also bloating. So this is where lightly roasted pumpkin seeds can be useful because you are still preserving the nutrients and you do not get the stomach upset and you are able to lower the phytic acid very slightly. The next popular way of eating pumpkin seeds is actually soaking them for 2 to 4 hours, which we also call as sprouting of pumpkin seeds. The reason being, when you soak these pumpkin seeds, then you are reducing the phytic acid levels significantly. Plus we see that these sprouted pumpkin seeds are better gut tolerated by people. So what is the best way? So the best way of consuming these pumpkin seeds is that if you can soak them for 2 to 4 hours. Several companies are already doing this with you and you can get sprouted pumpkin seeds in the market which you can also consume. But let's say if that is not possible for you, then what is the best next way? So best next way is to eating them raw because then you're getting all of the nutrients. But if you are that person that your stomach is very sensitive and when you eat those pumpkin seeds raw, then you are getting bloating or stomach upset, then lightly roasted pumpkin seeds is also a good option for you. Now most people are eating pumpkin seeds, but they're eating very less amount of pumpkin seeds. You need a minimum of 1/4 cup or half a cup of shelled pumpkin seeds to be consumed each and every day. Then only you will get the right amount of nutrients to support your thyroid gland. So now you know why pumpkin seeds are a superfood for your thyroid gland. So start including them on the daily basis. And you also know how much you need to consume and what is the right way of consuming pumpkin seeds so that they can support your thyroid health. So flax and chia seeds are definitely healthy for your thyroid gland. But if you're specifically looking for a seed which is a superfood for your thyroid gland, nobody can beat pumpkin seeds because they are giving you the right nutrients, the right minerals to support your thyroid gland, all in natural ways. So try including pumpkin seeds in your diet on the daily basis. Plus, I will also like to know how you are using pumpkin seeds in your daily routine. Whether you are eating them raw, are you adding them to your smoothies, are you sprinkling them on your salad, or maybe you find another new way of eating pumpkin seeds that I will love to know. So please share this in the comment section, not only for me, but for also others who will benefit from your information. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope it was useful. If it was, please like and subscribe to my channel so you keep on getting this kind of information in the future also, as well as share this video with others who can benefit from it. Until next time, take care. Bye-bye.